Industrial-grade device engineered for water-based ink printing. Integrating cutting-edge technology with sustainable practices. Self-developed patented tech and globally leading configurations. Eco-friendly, efficient, precision-driven and vibrant color. Print both simultaneously or separately. Core advantages and technical highlights. Equipped with the Kyocera printhead. It supports variable dot technology and 4-level grayscale printing. Intelligently controlling ink droplet penetration for precise color gradation and high-resolution output. Advanced water-based ink compatibility. White and color ink modes. Enables simultaneous white or color printing or independent modes. Intelligent repeatedly frame compensation. Unmatched detail and color smoothness. And multi-layer color applications. Flawless patterns, perfect registration. Weatherproof durability. Special curing ensures UV resistance. And waterproof adhesion for outdoor use. Self-cleaning and moisturizing. Prevents nozzle clogging, minimizing downtime. High-strength, water-resistant transmission for long-term reliability. Water-based ink printed on coated paper and dry instantly, prevents ink bleeding or coating damage for sharp, vivid prints. Hot air or infrared modules enable print-to-dry efficiency. Premium applications. High-gloss matte photo albums, art books, and commercial posters. Dedicated application scenarios. Food-safe paper boxes, luxury packaging, odor-free wallpapers. Contact us now for free quote.